Right. So I'm just gonna have to restart it. The streaming software was kind of off a bit. All right. So just restarting the live stream. Okay. The streaming software was delaying a little bit. Okay, it was having a delay. So guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. So if you just join in the streaming, make sure to hit the likes, make sure to subscribe, and join our public Telegram group for these quick updates. All right. So Bitcoin is breaking down below 33,000, right? But got a nice bounce back up above 33,000. Are we going to be able to stay above 33,000? It is going to be a very, very crucial time for the bears and also for the bulls. All right. So let's take a look at BTC before we go back and talk about ADA and all of that good stuff. So as you can see right now, we're breaking down below 6 hour 100 EMA. It is very, very, very crucial, guys, for BTC to stay above the 8 hour 100 EMA. As you know, our next support target to look for, it is basically a 8 hour 100 EMA and basically a 2-day 21 EMA. If you take a look at it, 2-day 21 EMA, it is just about 31,000, give or take 30,800, right? And the daily, we're already losing the daily. That's very, very bad. That's not good at all, right? It is very bad to be losing the daily time frame, especially at this time. Okay, it is like 4 a.m. right now, and most people stop loss going to get hit, and market gonna keep dropping. Okay, so let's take a look at the 12 hour, basically 100 EMA going to be just about 29.2, which is, daily 50 EMA, right? Your 12 hour 100 EMA is the same as your daily 50 EMA, right? So, yes, sell volume is not a lot on an 8 hour basis. So we could expect a potential bounce off of this 8 hour 100 EMA just about at 32,000. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum is just about a 1250. So we breaking below 1250, breaking the trend line support from 920. That's the same trend line support that supported the price when we were getting the sell off from 1250, down to 0.618. Right now we're breaking it on an 8 hour basis, breaking the 8 hour 21 EMA, 6 hour 100 EMA for Ethereum going to be at 1080. So we talked about 1080 on my recent update. Why 1089, 1080 going to be a crucial support level for the bulls. 6 hour, MACD is crossing bearish price action below the 21 EMA, so it is definitely a strong sell-off. Okay, it is not a fake out, at least in the short term. All right, so if you're bullish on Ethereum, basically look, we could potentially get a support just about 1080, or even down to a $1,000 area. A pretty strong sell-off. Let's go ahead and take a look at Link really. So Linky, Stanky, if you take a look at Link, we basically been looking for this range of 17 to 18, or even down to a $16 range. MACD looking pretty bad in this range, a pretty strong sell-off, right? So we need to stay in this range if we're going to be pumping to the upside later on, right? But Link, it is still bullish. As we said, it could drop down to retest the previous resistance right there. 6 hour 100 EMA just about like a 16.9, right? So current price just about 19.47. So that's it still has some juice ahead to the downside, temporary juice. Let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin next. Litecoin down 10% on the day, below 6 hour 100 EMA, below support area. Major support for Litecoin going to be like like a 105, right? If we break the 118 support. So Litecoin is not looking that great so far, right? However, if BTC finds support, Litecoin could be one of the first one to rebound back up. All right. Hey, what's up, Mason? Thanks a lot for tuning in. How much lower can we go, guys? Make sure to hit the likes, subscribe, and at the same time share the stream. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Neo is dropping. We're breaking support right here. I had a support area for Neo at 17.4 to 18.5. We could potentially get back to 17.4 to 18.5. If you remember the January 10th, January 9th sell-off, Neo did not drop. Okay. Did not retest 6 hour 100 EMA when the rest of the market did retest the 6 hour 100 EMA. So this could be the time for the bears to try to retest the 6 hour 100 EMA. So let's see. Yeah, Neo is selling off. Link is selling off. Link is just like 1% on the day. It is not. It is doing good compared to the rest of the market, right? So actually, it is 11% on the day. It's just 1% down on YB, because YB, they don't do that 24 hour. They do that 24-hour thing, right? So Link is just 1% on the 24 hour, but it is like 11% on the day. So let's see if like we can get a support right here down to 17.5. If we break 17.5, that could look pretty bad. When is good time to accumulate EOS? We're gonna take a look at EOS. EOS has been very weak over the last few weeks since like the January 9th sell-off. EOS wasn't pumping that aggressive, wasn't pumping at all. Okay, it just got stuck around like 2.8, so could not push any further above like 2.89, 2.9 range. So let's go back to BTC very quickly. Matter of fact, let's take a look at EOS. So EOS right here breaking support. This EOS setup reminds me of the last year sell-off. So last March dump before the big crash, EOS had a similar setup, right? Let's go back and check it out. That's October. Right here, okay, that's like the February bear flag. So EOS did move sideways with a beautiful bear flag right here, okay, and big dump afterward. Okay, so hopefully it is not going to do the same thing again, because we're not in a bear market. So it could just be in a range of consolidation. So for EOS, so it could just be been a range of consolidation, but we got a big support all the way down to 220 to 25 area if the sell-off is big enough. Okay, but temporary support to look for just about 240. All of these exchanges basically Binance, because Binance has the one of the most reliable coins, right? So man, it looks bad, guys. It is looking very bad right now for most of these alt. But like I said, it is just going to be a correction, and most of them going to be bouncing back up over the next few days. So the good news is like the BTC down, as I showed you a couple days ago on the 16th. We need to get the BTC down up to just about 32, 33. So BTC down has another 10% pump. It means like BTC could drop another 5 to 10%, okay, depending on volatility. So we talk about it on my live stream. So if you just if you're new to our content, make sure to subscribe, hit the like so you can get these quick updates. Very critical. So if we get the BTC down once again in this box, we could potentially see a rejection. If not, it could pump all the way up. It could pump all the way up to 40 cents. And if we're going to get to 40 cents, it means that BTC could potentially break 31.5 and 30K area. All right. So wait for market to cool off. You're gonna get great opportunities to buy all of them. Let's go back to BTC, guys. So bang, guys. So 6 hour 100 EMA support right there. Okay, so let's see if we're gonna find the support right here all the way down to 31.7. Okay, so but looking pretty bad. Volume right here was pretty weak. That's why we're getting this big sell-off right here. Okay, we tried to rebound back up, could not even retest the 21 EMA on the 6 hour, right? 6 hour 21 EMA resistance, as you can see right here. Okay, so big resistance. So guys, we got 18 watching. Make sure to hit the likes so we can get at least 18 likes. All right, so MACD failed to cross bullish, right? That was one of our premium update, so no need to be long in BTC. So just let it drip, and we're in a bull market, no need to be getting involved in some crazy short and all of that good stuff. Let it drip, right, down to target, and you can do whatever you want with it, right? Guys, make sure to hit the likes. Make sure to hit the hey, what's up, Zai Lee? Ziao Lee. How about Ether? Ether, we talked about Ether. Ether is still looking okay. It is not dropping that bad. The only thing about Ether is 6 hour MACD crossed bearish. Price action below the trend line. Price action below the 21 EMA. That's not a good sign. Okay. A strong support for for Ether could be just about 0.618 at 1089. So if we can drop all the way down to 1089, and we could potentially see a temporary support, and on the lower degree, if we can find some bullish divergences, and on the hourly or on the 15 minutes, we could basically look for a rebound. If not, we got 0.786 at 1000. Okay, so and we talk about all of these good stuff. That's why we said do not long it when this sucker was pumping like above 1333. All right, even though 1333 was my target, I did not like the pump above 1333. Hey, what's up, Opa Omar? You're welcome, man. You're welcome for that. So guys, hit the likes, hit the likes, hit the likes. Make it blue, okay? Make it blue. Make it blue. So one thing I like about Ether, if we go to the on the lower degree, right? If we go on the lower degree on the hourly basis, it could get a delay on the drop. Okay, why we could get a delay is like most bulls gonna see this bullish divergence, right? A potential bullish divergence right here. Okay, if that's the case, we could get a probable fake out right here, and try to retest 1350. So be cautious with Ethereum. Okay, the sell-off on the lower degree, hasn't been confirmed yet. It's just on the high time frame. It is bearish, but if we get a strong pullback right here, it could try to go back up to 1350, right? If not, if it fails, that's it. Okay, if it fails, it is just going to we're not going to get the delay. The move right here could be just a delay, right? So and create a lower high. Yeah, so Ethereum 6 hour, 4 hour, let's take a look at, yep, 4 hours is calling for a lower number. So I don't know how the Ether bull is gonna do it on a lower degree, okay? Because a big move back to 1350 is not the talk in town right now. This move, yeah, we could get it, but it is still going to be bearish, okay? Short-term bearish, all right? Let's go back to DOT. So DOT, it is still looking very strong after this big move to the upside. It is holding strong at 236, 382, going to be just about $13 for DOT, okay? Any big move to the downside could get support at at $13, okay? If we get any sell-off and all of that good stuff, any further sell-off. Yeah, so let's go back to Bitcoin right here. Link is bouncing back up to 19.8. That's a good news for the Link bulls. I just don't like the MACD right here. That's not a good sign. The MACD at this point is not a good sign, okay? It could correct much lower, down to a 17, 18, and 16, right? OMG, I think OMG, it is not breaking the support area yet, so we still got like a little bit juice down to like a 3.3. If we break the 3.3, we could potentially look for this move. That's going to be out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a wave to the downside, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we could get this pullback down to 0.786. Okay, that way we could count it as 1, 2. That's our wave. Actually, let's do this. It's going to be wave 1. That's wave 2. Okay, and we're going to be looking for another wave to the upside. All right, so this could be only wave 1 of wave 3. That's very possible for let's just count it properly. Let's get a white color. We got 1, 2, and then we're going to be looking for wave 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so it means like if you're going to be expecting wave 3 to the upside, we could expect like a 1.618 extension to the upside. Could be anywhere around like $9-10 again. Okay, if and only if our count going to be plausible, right? So we remove this, and if that's wave 1 of wave 3, let's remove this. We already hit our target. We're gonna look for a potential what? Change it to yellow. This wave right here going to be wave 1. Remember, we got 5 wave to the upside, right? Even if we drop down here, that's going to be wave 1 of wave 3. We could get wave 3 right here, 4 and 5, just to complete wave 3. wave 5 of wave 3, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to be looking for in 5. This structure, it is still plausible, it is still in play, right? We just don't know how low this move going to be. We just have to wait for market to give us a reversal pattern. All right, but OMG, it is still it still has a bullish pattern, okay, in terms of wave analysis, right? So but we're going to talk about it again once we get our bottom formation right here, anywhere around this area. Right here. Okay, we at 50% pullback, 0.618 going to be at 3.2. So let's see if like we can find support at 3.2 and a potential reversal right here. And we're gonna basically go back to the wave analysis to confirm the reversal. Let's go back to BTC. All right, so BTC breaking down. It is breaking down, guys. I hate this structure. It is one of the most bearish structure you can find. If it plays out, it gives you a big move to the downside. Okay, this flat correction right here. Okay, that's the same type of correction we got back in March on the macro scale. The double bottom at 6K, something like that. Double top at 10K. After we basically drop all the way down to 3K, right? So that's the same structure right here. Hey, what's up, George? Hey, thanks a lot, Mitch, for tuning in. Thanks a lot, George. Yeah, man. I mean, let's see. Okay, we still got time. Still got time. Make sure to watch my previous analysis regarding the Bitcoin 50-day cycle. It is very, very important to understand what's going on. I just explained to you guys not too long ago, not like even 3 hours ago, I released that video. Okay, even before the sell-off, try to explain to you guys why, even if we sell off, right, it is still, the macro scale, it is still on track. Okay, it is still on track to potentially some high prices, as long as we respect all those criteria. Okay, I talk about in that video. So make sure to watch that video. If you haven't, check out my channel, right? It is called Bitcoin Macro View, right? Something like that. Just updated it like less than 3 hours ago. Just released it less than 3-4 hours ago. So I'm still bullish. So even though it is selling off, right, market sentiment definitely going to be calling for 25K, 20K and all of that good stuff, but I'm still bullish. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the 2-day time frame. So on a 2-day basis, once again, guys, MACD crossed bearish. However, price action, it is still above the 21 EMA. So it still has some juice. Okay, it still has some juice. Yeah, so we got some we could get this support right here. I think we will. If you notice well, we just opened this this 2-day chart, this 2-day candle, right? On a 2-day chart, right? This candle just opened today. It just opened today, guys. So it has another basically 24, let's say 30 hours to go. Okay, actually 34, 40 hours to go to close this candle, right? Has another 40 hours, and we already been, you know, it's already selling off. Okay, so that's not good at all. If you notice, well, I showed you on that video, okay, that's the support area we need to stay above, which is like 33, what, 33.7, guys, 33.7 right here, 33.8. So within the next couple of days, we got to jump back up above 30, you know, 30, let's say 34, just to round it up, you know, right here, okay, to 34. Within the next 24 to 48 hours, a close above 34 could potentially mean a lot for the bulls, right? So thanks a lot, Coach Jack. Guys, hit the likes, man, hit the likes, okay? You're watching for free. That's not a movie. You're not at the movies, okay? Hit the likes. When you go to the movies, you buy popcorns, right? You pay for the movies and you buy some popcorns to watch the movies. You buy some drinks and all of that. With Send Crypto, you don't do none of that, okay? You get your own popcorn, and Send Crypto gonna take care of the party. All right, hit the likes. All right, hit the likes. Or I'm gonna come and get you and turn off your computer or whatever you using to watch. I'm just joking. I'm not gonna do none of that. So let's get the popcorn ready, right? Welcome back to Send Crypto, guys. If you're new to my content, you know exactly what to do. Hey, what's up? Iñak Botos. Yeah. Let's go back and check the BTC down. We need the BTC down to get some sort of rejection, guys. So this sucker is actually very aggressive right now. Okay, I'm seeing like 33 to 34 cents. Okay, daily 21, they're at 34. Okay, price action above the 21 EMA on a 12-hour basis. It is not explosive yet. MACD is still below the histogram, so it can get rejected at any time. But guys, if this sucker try to pump anywhere above the histogram right here, it could be very explosive. Okay, let's check it. It is still below the histogram on the 8-hour. On the 6-hour, it is hugging it. Okay, it is not that okay, 6-hour could be explosive, but it is only 6-hour. Okay, we got the 6-hour 100 EMA up to 40 cents, so we know the daily it is at 34. So this range right here going to be critical for the Bitcoin down. Okay, so for the BTC down. So if it gets rejected, definitely Bitcoin going to be reversing. All right, the difference between the Bitcoin down and BTC, basically they inverse. Okay, if Bitcoin down is going up, it means BTC is gonna go down. Okay, so we need Bitcoin down to start selling off for us to be saying, hey, it is time for the sucker to be going to the upside, right? Welcome to the party, man. Welcome to the party. Let's get this crypto. Let's get this crypto. I mean, I think it is a great opportunity for most people to buy this alt at the very cheap price. You know, sell off is good for the market. It is what it is, but sell off, a sell off is good for the market. All right, it is just a correction. So 33.8. So that's my target right here. So let's see how BTC going to be reacting around my target of 37 to 31.7. That's the type of thing you're gonna get in Send Crypto Premium. So when market is crazy, you know exactly what to do. You're not gonna be jumping in and out. You're just gonna sit tight, relax, wait for the thing, and basically do your thing. Okay. So you know, we traded BTC right here, did beautiful. Okay, on the move to the upside. from like a 307, right? 30,500, 30,700, all the way up to 30,900. Okay. So after that, we've been trading alt, but since then we, just been taking small position, did not worry about BTC, waiting for price action to give us a direction. This is not a direction, it is a directional move, right? But it is not a strong direction, it is just a correction. Okay, yes, the direction is down, we knew that, right? So we just say, hey, let's wait for the 8-hour 100 EMA, right there. Even the retest of the 6-hour, we weren't bullish, right? I was not that bullish on the retest of the 6-hour. Okay, I was still cautious, even though volume kind of faked me out a little bit. I wanted to be bullish right here, but I was like, let's just wait for confirmation, right? So guys, make sure to hit the likes. I thought if I scared you guys gonna hit the likes, but that's not the case. So make sure to hit the likes, guys. So if you just joined the party, hit the likes. All right. Is it time? Hey, what's up? What's up, Paulino? Is it time for buy or sell? It depends what you're looking for. Are you a short-term trader? Are you a long-term hodler? If you're a long-term hodler, every day is a buy opportunity. Whenever you see BTC down 7, 10, 18%, it is a buy, okay? But if you're a short-term trader, you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta basically make sure, you're playing the game right. You knew exactly what was gonna happen, and you're gonna basically take care of business as, things playing out as expected. So if you're long-term buyer, I think, okay, it is my own opinion, right? 32, if you're looking for the long term, it is a buy. Okay, that's it. No short here. Hey, what's up, Benjamin? Make sure to hit the likes. Shorting right now could be very aggressive, but I think you can get, depending what your leverage and all of that good stuff is, you could get it down to 37, but make sure to put a stop loss above the 6-hour open. Okay, 6-hour candle open is 34.6. Okay, 34.6. So you don't want basically any reversal past this candle right here right now. Okay. Another thing to do is like wait for the next 6-hour candle to open, and you short 50% of this candle. Okay, 50% of this candle is going to be 33.6, 33.7. That's also another option you could look to take advantage if we're gonna get it. Okay. So Benjamin, make sure to subscribe and hit the likes. Okay, and all of you guys, if you haven't basically subscribed, hit the likes. Make sure to do so. Okay, don't forget to do so. Yeah, it is always nice. I used to be very, very excited, right, when BTC drops, but nowadays it's not the case. I just stay calm, okay? I used to call this beautiful, beautiful drops. Nowadays, I just wait, okay? Because market always gonna come back to you, no matter what. Okay, you got 90% chance market gonna come back to you, unless we start a very, very strong trend, okay? All right, Benjamin. Hey, Alonzo in the house. Oh, Alonzo, you got our dot target in the group, right? So you know exactly what to look for, dot. Yeah, it is critical, but let's see. My only concern right now for BTC is like the MACD looking so down. Like I hate it when MACD is vertical. Okay, I like it when it's flat, but when MACD is vertical, I mean I don't know, man, but it looks pretty bad. It has to start moving sideways. You bought yesterday at 35 to 24. I mean, it's gonna go back up. Just dollar cost average, okay? If you're not leveraging, you should be okay. Just watch my recent update, okay? It is very important to understand the macro picture. If you understand what's going on the 50-day cycle, you're not gonna worry, okay, if BTC dropped 10%, because I just showed you on the 50-day cycle. Let's go back to the 50-day cycle, right? So what is a 50-day cycle? Okay, for some of you guys just joining the crypto party, the crypto space, right? This crazy world. You can see like the 50-day cycle. What is it first? A 50-day cycle is just a 50-day cycle. It means every candle represent, right, 50 days. Okay, every single candle represents 50 days. Okay, if you take a look at the current candle we got right here, it started on January 1st, 2021, right? So in order for us to stay bullish, right, we just have to close this candle green, nicely green, not any type of green, but nicely green. Okay, this candle opened right at 29,000 right here. So as long as BTC, okay, is above 29,000 within the, within this 50-day candle, the cycle going to be bullish, the cycle going to be upward. Okay, however, if we close the candle below 29,000, it means, right, BTC gonna get some sort of a candle like this. Okay, Bitcoin gonna get a candle like this. And if you're new to trading, right, that's not a good candle. Okay, that is not a good candle at all. Okay, you don't need like to be an expert, right, to know what is it. Okay, it could be a potential shooting star, right here, right? So if you take a look at it, that's really bad. So if we close below 29,000, we could get something like that, right? Okay, it could be a shooting star just like that, right? We just don't know. We're just gonna basically assume it. Just gonna assume it's gonna be like that. If and only if we get a close right below 29,000, 27,000 by candle close. Candle going to close February 29th. I mean, not February 29th, guys. February 19th. Okay. On February 20th, we're gonna open a new candle. Right, that candle going to reverse. Okay, it's not going to drop straight down. It could, if and only if we get a shooting star, the next candle going to try to attack 50% of this wick. Okay, so if you bought anywhere around like 35, you still got a chance to wait maybe till February. If the structure we're looking for right now doesn't play out, you still got a chance for BTC to pump back up sometime in February, March. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right. Macro scale, it is still bullish, right? So another setup we talk about, right, is like the 3-week cycle. Okay, the 3-week cycle started also on January 1st, right? And it is gonna close 3 weeks. If you start your cycle 3 weeks, right? I mean, if you start a 3-week cycle on January 1st, it should close January 21st, which is 21 days, right? And January 22nd, we're going to open a new candle, right? At the same time, we do not, okay, within the next 2 days, guys, it is January 21st, okay? I mean, not 2 days, actually, 24 hours. This candle going to close like, it is going to close like, in 24 hours, right? So, because it is already January 21st. So, we do not want to close this candle below 29,000 basically. So bulls, they know exactly what to do. Okay, closing this candle below 29,000, it is going to give us the same setup I just showed you on the 50-day cycle. Okay, it is going to give us a candle just like that, and that's going to be very bad. So I do think the bulls are smart enough. I do think they are smart enough to understand what's going on the macro view, and they're not going to let price drop below 29,000. So I'm looking for 31, right, to 32. We're already at 32, right? So it can still drop down to 30 7, which means like candle is still going to be green. So I don't see a drop down to a 29,000 within the next 24 hours. Really, that's my personal view. Okay, because I'm bullish and I don't expect it. Because if that's the case, I might start to be bearish over the next like few days. Okay, and see what's the next 3 weeks going to give me. You see what I'm saying? If you notice well, these 3 weeks shooting stars, sometimes they're not good at all for the market. Okay, they're not good at all for the market. So we actually never had one. The one we had was right here, January 1st, 2019, right? Take a look at it right here. A good example is right here. That's a 3-week cycle, right? On January 1st, 2019, right? It closes January 21st. What happened next was like we dropped right back down after, the very next 3 weeks. We kept on dropping. Do you see what I'm saying? Even though we got the reversal, but we kept on dropping. You see what I'm saying? That's the type of a structure I'm trying to avoid to see on January 1st also. Okay, this candle on January 1st, that's the type of a structure we try to avoid getting. Okay, this is a big old fat body. Okay, so we're trying to avoid it. So I don't see a close below 29,000, just to keep it short, within the next 24 hours, right? So I mean, what do I think that the impact going to be on Ether? I mean, Ether gonna suffer just like other alt if BTC drops lower, right? It is just going to be temporary, but that's it. Hey, what's up, Paulino? Thanks a lot. He say, thank you, Send Crypto from Portugal. Now we got people from Portugal in the house. I'm pretty sure we got Australian people in the house. They don't sleep. They love crypto. Yeah, 33. Yeah, 33.2 guys. 33.2. 33.2. Ether is 12. $33.2 guys. $33.3, 32, I mean 32.318, 32.3. Yeah, it looks pretty bad. Let's go back to the hourly. Seems like hourly just, yep, hourly just opened. Oh, look at BTC, man. Oh, good gosh. Yeah, we just lost the divergence completely right now. No talk. Divergence is not the talk in town right now. We just lost it. We should get to 31.7 very quickly. Yeah, it's dropping, guys. Dripping. $32 160. $33.60. Let's see. Hey guys, make sure to hit the like so we can get this popcorn party ready. Come on, guys. Hit the likes, hit the likes, hit the likes. Still dripping, 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 dripping. $31.7. Gonna hit my target, guys. My target is $31.7 to 307. 317 to 307, guys. As you know, I've been showing you over the last few days, right? I've been telling you over the last few days. Okay? Bang, okay? Bang. Green box right now. Okay? That's send crypto, baby. That's send crypto. Let's get this popcorn party, guys. Come on. Hit the likes. If we break below this range, guys, it could be very, very ugly. OVO, no short right now. Yeah, no short right now. We already at target OVO. We already at 3. Right now it's it's time to be buying the dip. We are at 301. You're already in our premium, right? We talk about this the last few days, okay? So don't short it. It's very dangerous to short it right now. Alonso, okay, let's see if we're gonna get that move. Don't go heavy on the first bounce. Even though price is at target, we will need a bullish divergence on or at least on the 15 minutes, right, to hourly time frame to start like considering a potential reversal. So if you, let's say you are long and right now, just take it, I would take it like slow, right, till you get the bullish divergence, right? The first pump retest, MACD, you're gonna repump, retrace, and then you're gonna start like adding to position, right? So that's going to be the real confirmation, right? Let me check the chat room again. Hey, what's up, Emery? Go ahead and make sure to watch my recent update, so you can know why 31.7 and all that. That's for the premium. I give the premium all the good stuff. So make sure to join Send Premium so you can get a. So you can get it. Yes, it can drop to 28. It can drop to 20. It can drop to all of that. But the timing is very important, right? Like for instance, last week most people have been looking for what? 27. Okay. They've been looking for 27 right here when BTC was right here. Okay, right there, 305. In our premium group, what we did, we bought it at 305. Why 305? Because 305 was at 6 hour 100 EMA. Okay, we buy based on a specific price level. Okay, right here. Okay, was 6 hour 100 EMA. So as soon as we dip right here, I was like, guys, time to buy the dip right here. Okay, and target was up to 396. Okay, 30,960. Right now we eyeing the 2-day 21 EMA at 307. It's at 3. It is at 308 actually, depending which exchange you're using. Okay, can it drop lower? Yes, we got the 3-day 21 EMA at 27. That's also possible, right? So, but even you just don't want to take a chance, like, because last time most people have been waiting for this dip to drop right here. It did not. We were looking for the reversal back to resistance, closing basis. Make sure to watch my recent update. It is very, very important to understand what's going on. Okay, resistance right now for BTC, it is at right here. Okay, just about 40,250 range. Okay, support area we just breaking right now, it is like 34,000. Okay, so instead of basically focus on the 3-day basis, we're just going to focus on the 2-day basis, right? And if it breaks it, we can basically take it to the downside, right, all the way down to 28. It is only going to be 2,000 points, right? So you can add on and get your average just about 29. Okay, and we're going to get the next leg up. So seeing a lot of people saying let go. I mean, now moon time. I mean, it all depends. Okay, it all depends. What type of trader are you? Are you in the market for the bull market, or are you just in the market for the weekly pump and dump? Okay, it is very different. Okay, we've been waiting for this setup. We knew exactly what was going on, right? In our premium, we planned it, we waited, we've been very patient. Bang. Okay, so now we did not buy right here. We knew 35.7 was a resistance, right? What we said right here is a resistance. So no one bought BTC above this range. Just sell. It is a resistance. You don't buy at resistance, right? You sell it. As you can see, 8 hour. Okay, we said what we said, 8 hour 21 EMA, 8 hour 100 EMA right there. Bang. Take a look at it. Bang, guys. You see, that's why we were waiting for 31.7 to 37. Okay, 307 to 301.7, 307, 317, 317. It is 8 hour 100 EMA. Okay, very specific, guys. We give target based, because why are we giving target based on moving averages? Because if you're using, for instance, Coinbase, Your 8-hour 100 EMA might be different with my 8-hour 100 EMA on another exchange. But if I just say 8-hour 100 EMA, you just wait for your 8-hour 100 EMA regardless of your exchange. You see what I'm saying? Very, very important, okay? So guys, don't forget to hit the like so we can get the popcorn party, right, going. Right? Let's see. Let's do this. Black screen, black screen. Take a look at Send Crypto Premium, right? Target, what are we looking for? Bang. You guys can read, right? You guys can read. Bang. Okay. Very, very specific target. We do not call random numbers. Okay. We don't call random numbers and saying like maybe and all of that good stuff. Yes, it is probability, but you just have to be constant. Have to be constant. Okay. Have to be constant. Can we break it? Yes. That's why we got a second plan right here. Down to the year 21 EMA. Okay. Got it? Capiche? Bang. Okay. Bang. Alright. Take a look at it right there. Okay. 8-hour 100 EMA support. Bang. Okay. Bang. Alright. So that's the type of updates you get with Send Crypto and all of that good stuff. All right. So now we just bounced off the 8-hour 21. So we might be in this range for the next few hours, probably. Right. Right. Like it is probably moon time right now. So guys, if you're new to Send Crypto channel, right, most of you guys pretty much new, right, to my channel. Make sure to hit the likes. Don't forget to subscribe. Also subscribe and hit the likes, right, and join our public Telegram group, link in the description, right, so you can get all the good stuff. All right, you know, so you can get all the good stuff. Okay. Bang, guys, take a look at it. Go ahead and check out any other analyst. Okay, tell me any analyst, okay, who've been telling you guys wait for this exact, guys, pretty accurate down to the penny, guys. All right, 8-hour 100 EMA, 8-hour 100 EMA. I'm gonna give you one secret also. It is your 4-hour, right, 200 EMA. Okay, it's the same thing, right? So your 4-hour 200 EMA, right? So and it is a very powerful support. If you go back back in May, I don't know if you guys remember May I think May 7th, May 8th, right? And if you remember the last support we got December 11th, right there, when everybody was looking for what, 14K, what we did, we said, guys, 8-hour 100 EMA, we're gonna bounce back up. Okay, right? If you go back, that's like August, right? Not August, but May. Remember back in May, guys, what happened right here on when we got the big sell-off right here, right? Bang, bang. Okay, bounce right back up, retest, bang, right here. Okay, so remember that your 8-hour 100 EMA after a parabolic move, that's going to be your best friend. Okay, that is going to be your best friend, not Send Crypto, not Send Crypto. And at the same time, guys, your 21 EMA on the 8-hour basis also can be very friendly on a parabolic move. That's why when BC was going up, we just kept saying on the dip 8-hour, on the dip 8-hour 21. Okay, 50 likes. I don't know. I think like my streaming is having a delay, something like that. I'm only seeing like 31 likes for some reason. YouTube is still messing up my data. Okay. So let's see. Now we just hit a milestone, which is 8 hour 100 EMA. So we need to stay above it. If not, we got the 2-day 21 EMA next support. Yeah, I mean, it is very easy to jump around and call for any numbers. But once again, all of you guys gonna be right. Most of you guys, okay, your numbers could be right, right? But it is just a timing. It is just a timing. Your 27K, you can get it, but sucker can do something like this, right? Before giving you your 20K. That's what I was trying to explain to people in my public group. Most people have been expecting this move to go straight down. I was like, yes, it's okay to get a lower target. Nothing wrong with that. But your timing could be off. But your price action gonna be right. So it means you're just early. Okay, calling your number too early, right? But you know, you can't get it right. So don't think like, you know, you're wrong just because price action could reverse from this point. No. It could just do this, give you a big flat correction right here, right? Right here, give you this move, right? And then give you your 27, which is basically what we did right here. Right here, okay? And give us this move. You see this move right here, right? We could create it. We could get the fractal, right here, or even go higher and then give you this move. That way you get this move right here, just like that one right here. You see what I'm saying? You're gonna get your big old flat correction right there. That's possible. That's why I'm expecting a reversal, but I just have to be cautious too, because I might not be too bullish looking for 42. Might just have to respect this resistance at 40,000, right? If we get it higher, great, right? And if not, we just wait again. Okay, we just wait again. Oh, GRT is morning. Hey, what's up, Saidul? Thanks a lot for tuning in. BTC bounce back up on a 15-minute chart. Yeah, we know. We've been waiting for that bounce. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Said crypto just nailed it again, guys, when everybody was calling it. So now, if you're a short-term trader, what you need to do, right? Your resistance right here, that's your 15 minutes 21. That's your resistance. Okay. Your second resistance going to be your 15 minutes 100 EMA. These are short-term targets. If for instance, a trader X is looking for a short, but market is way down, you don't short too early. Okay, wait for the bounce back up 15 minutes, right? All the way up to your 100 EMA, you just ladder your shorts. Not financial advice, I'm just telling you. Okay, I'm just saying. Okay, and then you're gonna get the rebound back down. Okay, you could at least get your nice 5% move down. Okay, but it might not be a let's say you might not enter a short and then it drops right back down. It can take like 6, even 8, 10 hours before you get the next retest, right? So you just have to be patient. Just like the range we got right here, right? It is almost 24 hours right here. Okay, this range is a 24 hours range. Even though you shorted at 15 minutes 21 EMA, you can see like you got the breakdown 24 hours later. Okay, this one was like last night 3 a.m. and you can see like just about 2 a.m. today. Okay, it's almost 24 hours before you get the capitulation. So I'm saying, so you have to be very, very patient. Oh, what's up, CT 1777 in the house? You already subscribed earlier. Okay, great. He's saying the daily bear divergence with low volume will be the signal from 20k target. Will be the signal for 20k target. A daily, really, I haven't been using my RSI lately because I've been so comfortable with my MACD. I've been overconfident, really, trusting my MACD so strongly. Okay, so yes, now it is time to go back to your RSI, because your RSI, you're gonna need some bullish divergences, and I mean one bullish divergence on your RSI and MACD. So yeah, RSI is completely down. You did get, look at it right here. So that's how strong the market is right now on the downside. You did get a bullish divergence right here, right? Price action, okay, did reverse, you can see, and then that's it. That's the only reversal you got. So you might be like, oh, I got this bullish divergence, I'm gonna be going to the moon. Bang. Okay, so you're gonna need another one like that. So that's what I'm saying. That's why I try to explain to you. A short right here gonna drop you right back down. That way you're gonna get this bullish divergence right here. MACD gonna give you this move, and price action gonna retest the low, and you could at least, okay, get out and look to flip. Okay, you don't know how high it is gonna go because it is a 15 minutes, right? But you can at least, okay, retest your resistance right there. So you can get both ways. You can get the move to the downside, and you're gonna get the move to the upside. So thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. For some reason, I don't know how many likes we got, because YouTube is not showing it to me correctly. It says like we got 39. I know you guys doing a fantastic job, at least to you know, give me 50. So, but I'm only seeing 39. Maybe once you guys make it 100, I'll be able to see it. Let's go back to Ethereum. So Ethereum 1256. The thing is, Ethereum still pretty weak, but it has a potential bullish divergence on the hourly right here. So as long as we can stay bullish right here, right, and get this move, so it means BTC could bounce back up. But you know, we just have to see if we can trust the bulls to basically break this resistance, which could be a flat correction for another retest right here. Okay, but you just take what you get. Bullish divergence, you take it. I mean, not financial advice, right? If you take it, don't come back to me. Hey, what's up, Shulman in the house? Reed, thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for that comment and feedback. Sukar in the house. Muhammad in the house. 25k. Muhammad is looking for 25k. You're gonna get it. It's okay. It's just a matter of time. Let's see. I don't know when though. It could be years from now, it could be next month, it could be anytime, right? Let's see. Lucky in the house. Okay. I'm on 49. Okay, I think it's okay then. I think it's updated. It might be Lucky who hasn't hit the likes yet. Thanks a lot, 777. I got 666 and 777 in the house, and they're both moon boys. What are my thoughts on RSR? I don't do fundamental analysis, but I can give you my technical analysis, all right, for RSR. RSR, I like the BTC pair better. Is it yes, RSR. I think we did analyze it yesterday, right? Yeah, right now it is a buy, right, versus BTC. Beautiful, strong divergence on the hourly, triple bottom right here, right? So it is a hold. It can give you this move, try to retest the 129, right? Doesn't have enough history to do like a high time frame analysis, right? But give it like few more. You got a wedge pattern breakout. It is still a hold as of now. Okay, it is still a hold as of now. It has not gone through that 80% drop, right? Like most crypto, okay, like whenever they come out versus BTC, they do drop 80-90%. So but we did drop 70%, 78. No, not 100%, right? So you could be looking for, you know, for any reason, like let's say market decides to dip, you might be looking for low prices, all right? So but it is too early right now. You just, you know, suck it up and wait for the next 6 to 9 months, and you know, see if you can accumulate more. So thanks a lot, Emery. Let's take a look at H bar. H bar, we did talk about it last week. Guys, keep an eye on ICX, guys. Also, ICX looks pretty strong. I was just doing a market scan, and ICX, Aeon, one chain, they're all looking very strong right now. So that's exactly our target in our premium, right? I just did a video like last week regarding like top coins to buy. You know, in our premium, and H bar is one of them right here. Okay, H bar was like right there on the 13th, just about low 100. Right now we got target all the way up to 500. Okay, in 2 days, like not 2 days, but in 1 week. Okay, 1 week, less than 10 days, guys. So did Biden cause this dip? I don't know. I don't think it's Biden. Okay. It is just a dip, man. It was supposed to be, it was supposed to come, you know. We've been talking about it over the last few days, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can get these updates, these quick updates. All right. I mean, no, it's okay. It's okay. We got ICX one chain. Also, I think I just updated one chain. Okay, one chain is not in that video, but I updated one chain. It's gonna break out very soon. I got some other set. ARC also looking like to break out very soon, so we will give it time. But we got enough setup like for the next few months. Okay, so we're not worried. You got plenty of setup for the next like 90 days, right? So ICX, it's like it just need to break the 2800 sats. If we can break it, that's it. on a dollar value, we almost hit our target at 93 cents. So Ethereum is back to 1250. So yeah, Ethereum, it can drop all the way down to 1000. So that could potentially mean like BTC could suffer a little bit, but let's see. Guys, if you're new to our content, hey, what's up, human healer? Human healer says, don't give the world your coins. Yes, that's true. Human healer, you just said the right thing. But don't forget to subscribe and hit the likes also, okay? Since you just did the right thing by saying the right thing. Roberto saying, we got new president, new dump. I don't know. I don't know about that. It was already in the chart, so it was just a coincidence. Because, you know, S&P 500, NASDAQ, all of them made a new high, right? So let's see if we're gonna get DOT to retrace low. It just bounced back up, sucker. It is pretty strong though, so Lambo killer in the house. Hey Lambo, make sure to hit the likes. Teiku Kaya in the house. What about BTC? Should you long it? I don't know, Mr. Taifu. Julian K, you're welcome, man. You like the great stuff? Thanks a lot, man. You get all that good stuff with some crypto, man. You get all that good stuff. Lambo killer in the house. It seems like we're getting a bounce back. Guys, it is not time to be shorting. Once again, it is not time to be shorting, guys. It's not time to be shorting. From now on, right, you know, it is like accumulation, okay? Right here, it is just accumulation. Give it like, it is only like Thursday, right? We should get a bounce back up probably before Saturday, Sunday, and close the weekly nicely. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 7-day candle. 7-day candle doesn't look so good. That's a 7-day candle. Let's see. 70. It's gonna close 22nd, right? This candle opened on the 15th. So 15 plus 7, 22nd. So tomorrow we're gonna open a new candle tomorrow. So as soon as we close this candle, right? Right, as soon as this candle gonna close today, right? So the 22nd going to be tomorrow, right? So the new daily candle going to be the next 7-day candle at the same time, the start of the new 7-day candle, right? So we could get a bounce back up, guys. I'm telling you, we could get a bounce right back up to 40K right here, based on 7-day basis, right? Within the next 7 days, okay? Because the volume is low on Bybit right there on the 7 days, right? That's a 7-day candle, and the volume is very low right here, right? Let's check it on Bitstamp, low. Binance, low, right? That's a good sign. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. We just bounced off like almost 1,000 points. Yep, 31.9 to 32.9. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Discord long in Ether. let's see. I don't know. I got a lower target for Ether. Not sure if I'm gonna get it on this dip, because we could get a potential bullish divergence once again right here. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get my Ether target down to 1080, 1089, right? That's another 15-20% drop, so 200 points drop, or nearly. But let's see, okay? Because what I just showed you is like we could get another move back up to that area right here. We could get this move, right? So this move could dictate what we're gonna get next, okay? If and only if we basically get the bullish divergence, right? So Ether bulls might not want to lose this divergence. It is beautiful right here, okay? I was looking for a lower number, but I did not expect like the bulls to be strong enough to hold it. So, but let's see, we got a few more hours to make a change our mind and all of that good stuff. Hey, what's up, Mr. Benjamin? Make sure to join the public Telegram group so you can get access to the information. Everything is in the pinned message, right? So, you know, the Discord premium, you get, you know, alt setups, you get BTC setup, updates, announcement, price target, and all of that good stuff, okay? Unlike the public live stream, you get a general view, right? But you get also, you know, good in my public group, I mean public live stream, you do get like honest targets, right? Just like my premium group, but it is not going to be in depth, okay? You all in at Bitcoin. You're doing a good job, man. All in at Bitcoin at 32K. Not financial advice, right? AI in a house. Do you think there will be a bounce to 34? Yes, we will bounce back up. Yes, sir, we will. We will. Sucker Link is bouncing back up. Link is doing the same thing as Ethereum. So guys, if you're new to our content, you know what to do, guys. Most of you guys pretty much new to Send Crypto, right? You just discover my channel. Don't miss a chance, right, to get one of the best updates, right, in the crypto space, okay? So if you just join the Send Crypto public live stream right now, just hit the subscription, right? Subscribe and hit the likes, okay? Subscribe and hit the likes. Do both of them, okay? It's going down. Bends to the face. Bends to the face. It bends to the face is saying it's going down. B2 face is bearish. Hey Sen, where do you live? Sen lives in the, you know, I live at the moon, man. I'm in the moon. I was coming to take BTC with me. Let's see. Man, Ether 10% down. That's very Julish, man. That's very Julish. Litecoin 10% down. Very Julish. So Litecoin, my target really was at 180, okay? But we did know, you know, we got a potential to drop lower. So that's not a That's not a secret. Okay, market. That's how market works. Okay, sometimes you know the direction, but you might not get it right away. But we could get a potential bullish divergence once again right here. But MACD is not bullish right there neither. I mean RSI. Okay, so let's go back to Ethereum because I did not notice the RSI. Okay, so the good news for the bears, I mean for the bulls, for Ethereum is like you could potentially get also a double bullish divergence. That's going to be strong. But if you lose the RSI, you can still get the MACD bullish crossover. Okay, but it's not going to be as strong as when you get both of them, right? Both bullish divergences. David saying thank you. You're welcome, Mr. David. Bullish plus juicy equal to Julish. Yes, that's Julish. That's Julish. That's Julish. I don't know your question, Mr. Human Healer. Don't know what you're saying. Is the exchange feature on Ledger Live better fee than exchange? I don't know. You must be talking about the swap, like swapping your exchange, swapping your Ether to BTC. I'm not sure if that's what you're talking about. But I only done that once, so I didn't pay attention to the fees. I really don't pay attention to fees, really. Dot. Let's go back to Dot. Dot is bouncing back up. It did have a nice move. I missed this one. I wasn't paying attention like yesterday. And after the candle close, I realized sucker pump 20% from like 11 a.m. right here to candle close, and we got this bounce from 236 pullback. Yeah, maybe 100 likes right now. Hey guys, how many of you guys just discovered some crypto? Hey, good morning, Sweet Canary. Thanks a lot for watching. How many of you guys just discovered some crypto? Let me know. David. Let's go back to BTC, guys. Back down to 32.5. So we definitely, guys, I think daily close going to be very, very important, right? So if you panic and just wait for the daily close. A bounce back up above daily close, above 34.5. Whoa. That's going to be awesome, man. If we can close above like 33.4, 33.3. I mean, not 33, but 34.3. which is like daily 21 EMA, right? That's going to be awesome. Settings. This candle, man, is very scary, man. I don't know. I don't know if like the other part of the world are gonna be selling. They must be just waking up right now, because Asia, I mean, they're not waking up. I mean, it's 12 hours away. 12 hours difference, right? They're like 5 p.m., right? So maybe US gonna wake up and they're gonna be selling, or maybe buying the dip. You're welcome, Sweet Canary. You're welcome, AI. You know what to do, AI, right? Make sure to subscribe, okay? How do you know when to buy? Join our public Telegram group, right? So you can basically get a lot of information about trading and all of that good stuff. Yeah, Europe like to dump around this time too, so I think it's like what, 5 hours away? I mean, 5 hours difference, right? 6 hours, I don't know. $32.5. No, ESBTC, it is still very weak, so give it some time. Everything is down 10% except Link. Link still up 1.2%. Yeah, I think we're gonna get a bounce, guys. I do feel like we're gonna get a bounce back up within the next few days. Right, back up to, you know, probably to 40,000 range. Remember, we only got like one pump so far this year, okay, which is like on a 7-day basis, right? That's the first pump of the year, started January 1st to January 8th, right? And we opened like on January 8th, we dropped right back down, okay? But pump right back up within the same week and open the next candle, like that's the third week of the year, January 15th, and dropping right back down. We could get another bounce right back up to the same level, and people are going to be very confused, right? But the range going to be the same, and you might be calling for all kind of crazy numbers for like 30 days when market is just correcting. Okay, that's the same thing that happened right here. Okay, the 40k, the 20k area, people have been calling for all kind of crazy numbers, but sucker did this. Yeah, just yeah. Hey, what's up, Harley Ship? With a P, Harley Ship. Okay. Uh, yeah, Harley in the house. Don't forget to subscribe and so you can take us with your ship, right? Damien in the house. Rift to the moon. Yeah, imagine selling at 32k and sucker pump to 320k. MACD looking bearish depending on which time frame you're looking at, but today, for instance, the 2-day time frame just crossed bearish, but I like it. I like it because it is gonna show me how if we are really bearish. Okay, because our 21 EMA got to show up on the 2-day basis. Okay, has to show up. Sell volume is decreasing, price is decreasing. That's just a correction. Okay. Hey guys, I'm just gonna call it a day today, right? It's been like 90 minutes of streaming. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I didn't even realize it is 90 minutes, man. It's like an hour and a half, right? I didn't even realize it. But I'm just gonna go take a break, sleep. If I had 4K, would I invest it in BTC or Ether? That's a good question. That's a good question. How about 50-50? Okay, how about 50-50? All right. David is saying, what time frame do you use on your moving averages? What time frame do I use on my moving averages? Your moving averages, it is just whatever time frame you use, right? For instance, if I use a 2-day time frame, my moving averages, maybe your question is like, which moving averages are you using? Okay, 21 and 100 in all time frames. That's it. That's all I need. Okay, I don't need anything else. I got an option to use others, but you know, they're just gonna cluster the chart. Okay, because remember what I'm looking for, right? Let's say I'm looking for 21 EMA, right? But other traders might have been looking for like 50 EMA right here. Some gonna be looking for 100. So if you personalize your way of trading, you're only gonna look for one thing. If you get that, you're satisfied. You cannot look for everything. I cannot, for instance, look for everything. It's so many crazy things right now happening in the market. I cannot be basically waiting for all these moving averages. Okay, you see what I'm saying? I'm gonna be waiting forever. You see what I'm saying? So one person might be waiting for the 50 EMA right here, right? Waiting. Okay, you see? I think like 2 moving averages, at the most 3 moving averages should be enough. Okay, but I'm not telling you how to trade the market. Okay, I'm just telling you what I do. Okay, and that way you're gonna get like enough time to study the market, right? Because if you take a look at it on the daily, I could have been using like the 13 EMA, the 7 EMA, and all of that good stuff. Okay, it's just gonna give me more analysis to do. Okay, but I didn't care about 13, I didn't care about 7, I didn't care about 8, because they're gone now. Okay, they're gone. You would have been bullish, right, at the 7 EMA right here, or the 13 EMA right here, right? But I think 21 and 100, it is it gives you enough gap, like it is 1 to 5 almost, right? 20 to 100, you got big gap to like study the market, right? And I use it with my MACD. Whenever price action below the 21, MACD crosses bearish, that's bearish. Okay, you can see like things been bearish long time ago. Okay, that's why I was being cautious, because even though we got this bounce, MACD did not cross. So I was very cautious. Okay, that's why we long it right here. We got out right here. We did not try to long it. Okay, because MACD is still bearish. So what we need to do is like MACD need to cross bullish on a 2-day basis, and price action has to pump above the 2-day above the daily 21 again. Okay, that strategy, we actually use it on the 6-hour because it is faster. That's what we did right here at the 24K breakout right there, right? In our premium, right? What we did was like this move, we anticipated it to drop. Okay, we anticipated this drop, but it did not drop below the 21 EMA. Right, so we were still bullish. However, it was just, we said it was a correction, but we do have a resistance at 23,450. If MACD crosses bullish and price actions still stand above the 21, we break resistance. We just gonna take it to 30K. That's it. Target 26, 28, 30. That's it. It is a very powerful strategy. Okay. You can also use it on your 2-day basis, right? So that's why I'm saying, even though MACD crossed bearish right here, I'm still bullish because price action still above the 21 EMA. Do you see what I'm saying? So right here, price action can just bounce off the 21 EMA and bounce right back up, just like what we did right here. I explained to you guys at 20K. Right here, price action was still above the 21 EMA. My MACD was telling me sell, sell, sell. I was like, no, I'm not. Okay, we're not supposed to be selling right now. We're supposed to be buying. This guy has to agree, right, with you. It wants to drop first. Bang. Nobody uses this strategy. Only send crypto. Okay, only send crypto. So the 100x coin. I mean, I told you about sushi, but no one was listening. I told you about CRV. No one was listening. I mean, you guys were listening. Now I'm telling you about BZRX and TRB. Okay, very low cap coins, right? Do your own research. I don't do any fundamentals. I like the charts, so I'm just trading it based on the chart. Okay, not based on any fundamentals. All right. Yeah, Ether is getting a tweezer on a 2-day basis. That's not good. Let's do this. Yeah, Ether could get a bounce back up. I don't like this tweezer. It's too early to get a tweezer on a 2-day basis. And with a low volume, I will see when I wake up. So our target down here, it might take forever to get it. All right, guys. Oh yeah, it is super helpful. Oh, thanks a lot. You're welcome. Well, you're welcome, Mitch. Alright guys, be safe out there. If you're new to our content, you know exactly what to do. Subscribe, right? And hit the likes and share the content in, to your other public Telegram groups so we can get our channel, back up. I mean, not back up to 10,000 subscribers. That is our target, and we definitely should get there before end of the, first quarter, okay? So if you like the content, you know exactly what to do, guys. Do not forget to hit the likes. Do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to share in your other, trading communities, right? All right, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in.